following part shows the installation and connection of SMB straight female coaxial connector and a 75 ohm coaxial cable. Prepare the following: 75 ohm coaxial cable, SMB straight female coaxial connector, steel ruler, cable peeler, diagonal pliers, cream pliers, and electrical iron. The following is the installation and connection procedure. Peel the cable. Step 1. Peel the cable. Based on the cable peeling length recommended in the following table, peel the outer jacket of the coaxial cable with the dedicated cable peeler and diagonal pliers. Level off the cable external conductor and remove the insulation surface to expose the internal conductor. You can read the outer jacket marks to know the type of the coaxial cable. When peeling away the outer jacket and the insulation surface, select the peeling interface of proper size. Do not damage the external and internal conductors. The peeling length of the coaxial cable is the same for the same coaxial connector. The structure and size of the coaxial connector end may vary with the manufacturer. In practice, refer to the structure and size of the coaxial connector end to peel the cable. The previous table is for reference only. Step 2. Weld. Before welding the coaxial connector and the internal conductor of the coaxial cable, put the coaxial cable in the crimp sleeve. If the coaxial connector is not gold-plated, you need to put the cable in the heat shrink tube. Shape the external conductor of the coaxial cables as a horn. Put the coaxial cable and the coaxial connector together. Make sure that the internal conductor is in the internal conductor welding area of the coaxial connector. Weld the internal conductor and the coaxial connector. The following figure shows the finished welding end surface. Step 3. Crimp. Check if copper wires or sundries scattered in the welding area. If there are any, clear them off. Push the crimp sleeve into the coaxial connector to fully cover the external conductor of the coaxial cable. If there are copper wires outside the crimp sleeve, cut them off. Select the crimping metal die matching the coaxial cable type, and then crimp the sleeve and the coaxial cable with dedicated crimp pliers. You'd better ship the sleeve by one crimp. Avoid additional crimps. After the crimp, the sleeve end is a square hex cylinder of 1 to 2 mm. Bend the intersection of the cable and the connection to an angle of 19 degrees. No braid is exposed. See the following figure. After crimp, the sleeve and the coaxial cable are fixed and cannot move in any direction. Otherwise, cut off the coaxial connector and reinstalled. The coaxial connector cannot be reused. Thus, we finish, install, and connect the SMB straight female coaxial connector and 75 ohm coaxial cable.